In this example, we'll be balancing an equation between aluminum oxide and iron. This reaction produces iron oxide and pure aluminum as products. First thing, we have to isolate reactant and the product side. The reactant side is to the left of the arrow and the product side is on the right. The next step is to list each atom and put the number of each atom. So in the first case, aluminum, and there's two of them. The second case, there's oxygen, and there's three of them. And in the third case, there is iron. There's only one, and that's why no value is placed in front of it in the equation. We do the same thing for the product side. We start with aluminum, and we balance aluminum by finding the lowest common factor that can make both sides equal, and we insert that factor as the coefficient of aluminum. We repeat this for the remaining elements. So for iron, we insert a 3 to balance. Oxygen is kind of different because we have 4 oxygen on one side and we have 3 on the other side. In order to balance this, we multiply the reactant side by 4 to give us 12, and then we multiply the product side by 3 to give us 12. So 4 and 3 respectively are basically the lowest factors we can multiply by to make each side equal. Once we balance the oxygens, we have to do a recount because the number of iron have changed. By inserting a 3 as a stoichiometric coefficient of iron 3 of iron oxide, then what we have done is that we have changed the number of iron from 3 to 9, which means we have to go ahead and correct for the number of iron in the reactant side of the equation. Once you have done that, then your equation is balanced.